$45,000. That's it. That's the entire budget. No inheritance, no lottery win, just 45 grand. And somehow, people online are claiming you can turn that into a full 2-story cabin with a basement underneath it. I didn't believe it either, so I spent the last few days digging through real 2026 contractor quotes, real material costs, real permit fees, the numbers nobody puts in the thumbnail. And what I found out is either going to save you from a very expensive mistake or show you exactly how to pull this off for real. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact number most people won't tell you, the one hiding at minute 7 that changes this whole plan. Before we get into it, if you're even a little bit serious about small cabin living, hit subscribe right now, because I'm building out an entire series testing these impossible budget builds against real 2026 costs. You don't want to miss what's coming next. All right, let's get into the numbers. The promise versus the reality. So here's the pitch you've probably seen floating around. $45,000, 2-story rustic cabin with a basement. Sounds incredible. Cozy wood exterior, a loft bedroom upstairs, a finished basement below for storage or a workshop. Here's the problem. When you actually break down 2026 construction data, a basement foundation alone, just the concrete walls, footings, and waterproofing, commonly runs between $24,000 and $40,000 by itself, before a single log or wall stud goes up. Read that again. The basement can cost as much as your entire budget. So does that mean this whole idea is a scam? Not exactly. It means the marketing is selling you a dream, but the real version of this build requires some very specific conditions to actually work. And I'm going to walk you through exactly what has to be true for $45K to be realistic. Because there is a version of this that works, and I'll show you it near the end. Where the money actually goes. Let's break this down piece by piece, because this is where most cabin videos lie to you. The foundation and basement. A basic unfinished basement. Poured concrete walls, a concrete floor, minimal mechanicals, averages $20 to $37 per square foot, putting a standard full basement around $24,000 to $40,000 or more. If you want it finished into a livable space with drywall, flooring, and lighting, you're now looking at $50,000 to $100,000 just for that lower level in many markets. Walkout basements, where one wall is exposed for a door or windows, tack on another $10,000 to $20,000. The cabin shell itself. For a small cabin in the 200 to 400 square foot range, a finished shell, walls, roof, basic insulation, drywall, typically runs between $25,000 and $60,000. Go bigger than 400 square feet, and you're often looking at over $100,000 for the shell alone. Framing materials basic cabin kits for 200 to 300 square foot structures run $50 to $100 per square foot for materials only, meaning framing alone can land anywhere from $10,000 to $25,000, and that number swings hard depending on lumber prices that month. The extras nobody mentions: design plans, building permits, plumber labor at $45 to $150 an hour, electrical, septic, or sewer hookups. These aren't optional, and they aren't cheap. Permits alone can run $500 to $2,000 depending on your county. So when you stack a basement foundation, a cabin shell, framing materials, and utility hookups on top of each other, you can see how fast $45,000 evaporates. Now, I know what you might be thinking. So this is impossible, right? Not so fast. There's actually a very specific formula some owner-builders are using in 2026 to make numbers like this work. And it involves 3 trade-offs most people aren't willing to make. I'm about to show you all 3, and the third one is the one that makes or breaks this whole budget. Don't leave yet, because that's the part that actually matters. The 3 trade-offs that make $45K possible. Trade-off 1. You build it yourself. Labor is consistently the single biggest cost driver in any basement or cabin project, often representing 45 to 65% of the total budget. If you are the labor, doing your own framing, your own drywall, your own finish work, you can cut a huge chunk of that $50,000 to $100,000 number down dramatically. This is the single biggest lever in this entire budget. Trade-off 2. You go small and simple. Forget the finished basement rec room with a home theater and a wet bar. We're talking about an unfinished basic basement. Poured walls, concrete floor, A sump pump, nothing else. That alone can keep your foundation cost closer to the $18,000 to $25,000 range on a small footprint instead of the $40,000 range on a standard one. Pair that with a compact cabin footprint, somewhere around 150 to 250 square feet per floor, and a basic post and beam kit instead of full scribe logs, and your shell costs drop into a much more manageable range. Trade-off 3. You build in the right location foundation. Costs, labor rates, and permit fees vary wildly by region. Rural areas with lower labor costs and simpler permitting can knock tens of thousands off a project that would be unaffordable in a high-cost metro area. Where you build might matter just as much as how you build. Stack all three of these together: DIY labor, a small unfinished footprint, and a low-cost rural location, and you start landing in a realistic range. Not exactly $45,000 on the nose, but close enough that it stops being a fantasy and starts being a genuine, if ambitious, plan. The realistic budget breakdown. Let's actually put numbers to this. Based on 2026 data, for a DIY built, roughly 200 square foot per floor cabin with an unfinished basement in a lower-cost rural area. Basic unfinished basement foundation, DIY assisted, small footprint. $18,000 to $25,000 cabin shell framing materials. Post and beam kit, $10,000 to $18,000 roofing, insulation, basic exterior finish. $4,000 to $7,000 windows and doors. $2,000 to $4,000 permits, design plans, basic utility hookups. $2,000 to $5,000 contingency and small tools. $1,500 to $3,000. Add that up and you're landing somewhere around $37,000 to $62,000, with the low end only achievable through serious owner-built labor, a genuinely small footprint, and a location where land and permitting costs are low. That's the honest number. $45,000 isn't a guarantee, it's the aggressive, best-case scenario end of a realistic range. And that distinction matters, because if you go in expecting a guaranteed number and hit the high end instead, that's how projects stall out half-finished. What could blow your budget? If you're actually planning something like this, here's where the money quietly disappears. Soil conditions you didn't test for, which can mean unexpected excavation or rock removal costs. Waterproofing, doing full exterior drainage, interior sumps, and sealed vapor barriers can easily tack on another $3,000 to $10,000, and skipping it is how basements turn into indoor pools. Egress windows, if you ever want that basement livable or up to code, can add $2,700 to $5,800 each. And lumber price swings. Framing costs are notoriously volatile and can move a project's budget by thousands in either direction depending on the month you buy. None of these are reasons to give up on the idea. They're reasons to build in a real contingency fund instead of spending your last dollar on the shell and hoping nothing goes wrong. So, can you actually build a rustic 2-story cabin with a basement for $45,000 in 2026? The honest answer? Only if you're willing to do the labor yourself, keep the footprint small, keep the basement unfinished, and build somewhere with lower land and labor costs. Under those exact conditions, it's genuinely achievable. Outside of them, you're looking at closer to $60,000, $80,000, sometimes over $100,000 once a basement and a finished interior are involved. If this kind of honest, numbers-first breakdown is useful to you, subscribe. I'm testing more of these impossible budget builds against real cost data, and the next one might surprise you even more than this one did. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.